Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the More icon at bottom right corner and a bunch of features will appear. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account Info and make sure that your email or phone number is verified. If verified, then check if the voice chat feature is available or not. If it isn't, make sure that your age is verified. To verify your age, tap on this button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, go back one step, access the Privacy tab, and you will be able to locate the voice chat feature. Simply toggle it on and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.